Hey everyone, today we're going to be doing finger coils with Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils collection. Girls, this collection is especially made for young girls, so I'm super excited. We're going to go ahead and start with the Heads Up Moisturizing Shampoo. This stuff really, when you get to lather it in your hair, you'll feel how soft and moisturizing it really makes. It's so good for natural hair. I was really impressed by this. And as you can see, I have my little girl washing her own hair all by herself. Now we're gonna go ahead and use the Soft and Sassy Super Duper Softening Shampoo. This, I said the shampoo is very moisturizing and softening, but this stuff right here is so good. This really is gonna make it so easy for you to detangle your hair. Leave that on for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna just rinse it out. Now we're gonna go in with the Not Having It Leave-In Ultimate Detangling Moisturizer. I put a lot of this in her hair because I wanted to make sure that her hair is moisturized, and this leave-in conditioner does give it a bit of a hold. So since we're doing finger coils, I wanted this hairstyle to last. So we're just gonna go ahead and detangle her hair now. I do section by section, and you wanna make sure there's no knots. Now it's time to style the hair. We're gonna go ahead with the Baby Girl Curls. This is the curling and twisting custard. This is gonna really spring to life these curls. This is a anti-frizz formula, and it's really gonna give the definition to the curls and the twist. Now you wanna be careful with this stuff because it does look like cotton candy. So make sure you keep this. Don't be like me. Make sure you keep this away from your child because they will try to eat it. Now it's time to twist. You're just gonna take little by little and just twist the strand over and over. You want to make sure you use a lot of the custard, that way this hairstyle can hold really well. And you also want to make sure you detangle each section because it's just gonna make the curl look so much cuter. Yay, look at my cute little baby. We're almost done here. I just let her play with the custard because it's just, that wasn't a very good idea, but I would rather her just be distracted than to, you want to make sure you keep them distracted. So I just let her play with it. Now she's just rubbing it all over my shirt. I'm just letting her do whatever she wants as long as she's standing still and letting me do this hairstyle. Here are the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please comment below. Thank you.